Where does mucus come from? What's mucus? Mucus comes from the mucosa. The mucosa covers all the major organs inside the body, okay? And it's there to protect the body. So when you eat proteins and acidic food, there's the mucosic response to it. And that's when you see the mucus coming out. If you don't take action to stop eating the foods that are causing this response, and you continue eating the foods that are causing more mucus to arise, the mucus is eventually going to harden up, and it will start to suffocate cells. That's when you start getting issues related to the body part. You have an issue with your bronchi. Well, guess what? It's going to be a health issue when it's covered with mucus. So when we go on the fruits, we are expectorating or liquefying this mucus. We are getting rid of this mucus so that your body can function normally. You don't eat the foods that the body doesn't want, the animal products, the cool starches. We eat the fruits, which is what the body requires, needs, and thrives on. And we can also use herbs to help the body remove this mucus, to clean up the cells, to get the kidneys filtering, because the kidneys will filter those acids that are disturbing the mucosa. And that's why we go on herbs and fruits. So we can clean the body out, we can let the body function properly, and the body can heal itself.